When you type text into a Word document, sometimes the spacing isn't quite what you want. You'll notice there's slight gaps between the paragraphs and the spacing might not be exactly what you want. If you'd like to change this, all you need to do is go to the dialog launcher here under paragraph. If we click on that, it activates a dialog box, and from here you can see that it's set automatically with the default spacing as 4 points between each paragraph. And it's spaced the lines out at 1.08, so there's 1.08 between each of those. If I click the drop arrow and I change it to single spacing, from now on, if I choose set as default, it will ask me, do I want to set it just for this document or all documents based upon the normal template? So if I click all documents based upon the normal template and click OK, that activates that change. Moving forward, for every document I create in Word, the spacing will be single spacing.